Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for chapter 10 part 3 pollution. We have already discussed the topics of the chapter. In this video we are going to discuss the question answer and exercise of the chapter. First we have exercise A. Answer the following questions. And first question is, what is soil pollution and how is it caused? The answer is, when the quality of soil is damaged and it becomes harmful for plants and animals, it is called soil pollution. It is caused by these factors. Number 1, excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides on the agricultural land over a long period of time. Number 2, dumping of non-biodegradable household and industrial wastes like glass bottles, metal chips, containers and plastic bags. Question number 2. Mention the natural activities that cause air pollution. The answer is, natural activities that cause air pollution are number 1, sandstorms and cyclones. Number 2, forest fires and volcanoes. Number 3, pollen from flowers. Now question number 3 is, what is the ozone layer and how is it damaged? The answer is, ozone layer is like a protective shield around the earth. Holes are created in the ozone layer due to the effect of air pollution. Due to these holes, the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun fall directly on the earth and cause various skin problems including skin cancer. Next question is, how can we control water pollution? The answer is, we can control water pollution by following the steps given below. Number 1, we should all act responsibly and not throw waste into the water bodies. Number 2, factory waste should be treated before it is released into the water bodies. Number 3, water pipes and sewage pipes should be laid at a distance from each other so that any leakage from sewage pipes does not pollute drinking water. Number 4, we should avoid throwing idols as well as ceremonial bathing in the water bodies. Next we have fill in the blanks. Sleep disorder is an effect of noise pollution. Asthma is the result of air pollution. Aquatic life gets affected due to water pollution. Air pollution can be controlled by using cleaner fuels like compressed natural gas (CNG). Next we have MCQ. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers cause soil pollution. Drinking polluted water causes jaundice. Dash pollutes the air naturally. Storm. Now we have a reading section. So you need to do reading practice for this section. Let us not waste fuel but walk a bit. We can also carpool and make that a hit. Too much chemical is bad for the soil. It is where the plants grow and you should not spoil. Let us save water as well as air and tell everyone that we should care. It is our future, so we should spare and only do as much the earth can bear. So you need to do the reading practice for this section. Now we will discuss about indoor pollution. As we know that air pollution is biggest environmental health risk on the earth. It creates a lot of health issues on the earth. If you see, 1 in the 8 deaths across the world is caused by the air pollution. And most of the air pollution is done by indoor pollution. More than half of the air pollution is caused by the indoor pollution. Now, what is indoor pollution? Indoor pollution is the pollution which happens at our own homes, which is created at our own homes. How is that created? If you see in the rural areas, people cook food on the wood, coal or cow dung. So if you will see that, you will find that a lot of carbon dioxide is released in that. Lot of smoke is released in that. That cause air pollution. That smoke cause air pollution. The same way, if you see in the urban areas, you can find air fresheners are there, scented candles are there. So these also release harmful chemicals. When you burn all this in the room, what happens? It causes harmful chemicals. The mosquito repellent which we use for the mosquitoes, that also cause that also release harmful chemicals, and they cause the disease like asthma and cancer. So this can be reduced. How? So you can reduce this by by planting some house plants like spider plants, dragon trees, golden pothos. So these are some of the house plants which you can plant at your home. So these plants will absorb the extra carbon dioxide, right? And like this, the air pollution can be reduced. Now, the easiest way to reduce the indoor pollution is to let in fresh air into your rooms. You should open the windows and doors so that the fresh air should come inside the room. Also, what we should do? We should use doormats. And we should always remove our shoes while entering into the room to prevent carrying germs into our rooms. So like this, by following some of these steps, you can prevent the air pollution. You can reduce the air pollution. There was an incident which took place in December 1952. What happened in December 1952? The residents of London, they burned great amount of coal to keep themselves warm. Now when you burn coal, what happens? It releases a lot of smoke, right? So like that, great amount of smoke was released, and that smoke got trapped by a thick fog. It developed a thick fog. Okay, and after that what happened? People could not see beyond a few meters. Everywhere fog was there. This polluted fog lasted for 4 days. It was there for 4 days. In this, 12,000 people lost their lives. 12,000 people died because of this air pollution. And 1 lakh people fell sick because of this pollution. So we need to take some steps to reduce the air pollution which is created at our home. That is actually indoor pollution. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Thank you.